You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, make sure to stay tuned. We've got tons more confusing ones that many mispronounce at the end of the video. Sherrod is the most common pronunciation in English. Sherrod, with a stress on the second syllable. So it's not Sherrod or it's not Sherrod. Sherrod, then it's not Sherrod. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.